Alright, you guys, I lied. I couldn't resist this. I couldn't resist it. Yes, I couldn't resist. Oh my God. Friendly people here doing this for you guys. Oh, Mom, I know you're probably thinking, oh man, boy, you need to have a fishing pole in the truck. You're right, I do. But don't have the right line. I'm getting paid to show you guys this stuff, taking field trips. That's as far as I'll go. Look at that. I don't know if it's coming out good, clear, with the sun glare off the ocean. But yeah, man. Oh, way out that way, thousands and thousands of miles, other country. Damn. Oh, man. So quiet and peaceful up here. She just took pictures. Alright, you guys, what do you guys say? Let's get to work right now. Think we had enough fun? Oh my God, but can't never get over that. There's other places further up that way. I should have stopped at the first time. It's like literally right next to the beach, the water. But I think this is enough for you guys, right? All right, you guys, let's get back on the road. I almost forgot that I'm racing against time here. I got a clock that's steady ticking. So I'll probably get to the truck stop and shut down like 20 miles away from the Walmart DC over there. But I'll leave you guys with that. Oh man. Getting paid to show you guys this. You guys could be doing this too. Remember that. Later.